The ears, two small structures on the side of the head, yet responsible for one of the most sophisticated sensing systems in the human body. Every sound you hear begins as a vibration in the air, a shifting of pressure, too subtle for the eye to see, but instantly detected by the delicate mechanics of the ear. Inside the outer ear, each wave is guided inward toward the eardrum, a thin membrane that vibrates with astonishing precision. These vibrations then travel through 3 tiny bones, the smallest in the human body, which amplify the signal before sending it into the cochlea. Here, the process becomes extraordinary. Inside the cochlea's